Welcome back. Now we're on A2.1 and this is features and uses of peripheral devices used with other digital devices to form part of an IT system. Simply put, the things you need to make up an IT system. The first one we have is input devices. And this is used to enter data into a computer. Now, I want you guys to be super careful. Here where it says data, some people use the word data and information interchangeably, and they're not actually exactly the same thing. So data is what you put in, information is what you get out. So I can give you all the data about exam results, and then you can provide me with information. And the information would be after you've gone through the data and understood everything. So 10% of people pass, 20% of people fail because of this reason. That's the information you're getting back. So please be careful. I don't know how strictly this paper is going to be marked. So to be on the safe side, I will use the right words. Examples include keyboards, mice, scanners, and cameras. Now, these are not obviously the only examples. So linking it back to gaming, which I like, I'm going to think of game controllers, obviously mice, keyboards, headset. So the microphone that's attached to the headset, that's input as well. And these are essential for user interaction with digital devices. Next, we have output devices. So they display or present information from a computer. And again, here we have information being presented. So data is what you put in, data is what you feed the system. Then it gives you information back. Examples include monitors, printers, and speakers, obviously TVs, headphones. The headphone part of it, so the part that plays the actual audio, that's the output device. Enables users to view or hear processed data. So after the data has been processed, it becomes information. And finally, we have storage devices used to store data for short or long term. Examples include hard drives, SSDs, and USB sticks. Obviously, we have many more forms of examples, but these are just the ones that popped into my head straight away. Essential for saving and retrieving files. Just to give some more context on storage, so the older type of storage that you might know are called hard drives or HDDs, hard disk drives. The newer versions are called SSDs. So the PlayStation 4 and the Xbox One X, the older one, those had hard drives in them. The newer ones, so the PS5 and the Xbox Series X, those have SSDs in them, solid state drives. Hard drives are mechanical, meaning that they have something inside of them that actually physically moves. They spin, whereas the SSDs are purely electrical. They have chips stacked on top of each other, and that's how you read and write the data. Whereas a hard drive spins, a very short section, but obviously very essential. Stay tuned, more incoming.